Hi, I'm Dr. Balaraju Naidu, Robotic Orthopedic Joint Replacement Surgeon at ONUS Robotic Hospitals. Greetings to one and all and my dear friends. Today I stand before you with great excitement and pride as we prepare to celebrate a momentous occasion of 5th anniversary of our hospital. In the last 5 years, we have treated more than 1 lakh patients with 5,000 successful surgeries, and we received 5 precious awards for excellent patient outcomes. And there is an extraordinary addition we want to share with all of you, a groundbreaking development that will revolutionize orthopedic surgery. I am thrilled to invite each one of you to join us for the grand launching event of world's first fully automated Cuvis orthopedic robot at our upgraded and facelifted Robotic Hospital. We are the first robotic hospital in East Hyderabad to provide robotic orthopedic services at a very affordable cost with personalized care and best patient-centric systems. This incredible technology will transform the way we care our patients, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the realm of medical innovation. On this momentous occasion, to celebrate our journey of growth and excellence. With the introduction of fully automated robots, we aim to redefine orthopedic surgery, enhancing patient outcomes, reducing recovery time, and ensuring unparalleled accuracy. It's an extraordinary milestone for us, and we want you to be part of this historic moment. Thank you for your support, for being a vital part of our journey. Together, let us embark on this new chapter of innovation and excellence in orthopedic surgery, and your participation will make this event truly extraordinary. Thank you.